while ago, I had this realization that I may not view used cars the same way as most people. I was cleaning out a used car of mine with a friend, and he was shocked that I wanted to take off the louvers and clean behind them. He said, "Why do you care so much about cleaning your car this way?" My natural response, which surprised even myself, was, "I don't want someone else's dirt on my car. If my car is dirty, I want it to be my dirt." It's amazing what this process will bring to light. Traces of the race stripes this car once had. Why someone removed them will remain a mystery. Many leaves stuck behind the passenger door while the driver's door is clean could point to this car being parked outside underneath a tree. Maybe the owner had another car that got the premier spot. Even a fallen bug is a testament to its journey, a witness to miles traveled. Buying a used car is like unearthing treasures hidden for years. Each discovery a piece of forgotten history. This car was once someone else's treasure. Now it's mine to shape anew. From past owners to my ownership, a car evolves, carrying stories within its metal frame. Buying a used car is like embarking on a treasure hunt. You never know what you'll discover, what pieces of history lay hidden in its crevasses. When you find some dirt that has been hidden away for 15 years, it feels like finding a hidden treasure. There's a very fine balance between honoring the car's past and truly making it yours. Someone bought this car brand new and brought a smile to them that only a new car can. This car is now mine, but it once brought someone to their first date, to a job interview. This car that once took someone down the road of their life will now be carrying me down the road for miles in my life. My love for cars isn't just about metal and mechanics. It's a bond that runs deeper. Through care, a relationship forms, a companionship that transcends mere transportation. With each mile, it becomes clearer. This car is a vessel of dreams, a confidant on the road. More than materials, it embodies memories, aspirations, and the essence of adventure. So, when you see me caring for my car, remember, it's more than cleaning. It's about honoring the past and embracing the future. This car isn't just a possession. It's a bridge between history and the roads that lie ahead. Thanks for watching.